Okay, today we have with us Anurag Chahal. Anurag Chahal has scored rank 8 in November AIMS 2012 exam. Congratulations, Anurag.
Thank you.
Anurag had joined the test and discussion AIMS batch 2012. Anurag, who has been your motivational factor throughout all these years?
My parents have been a constant source of support and motivation throughout the years, and they kept saying that, "Come on, you've done it in MBBS, you've got third rank in AIMS and whatnot, and you can do it again and strive hard, and you can definitely crack it."
Okay, fine. Since you joined test and discussion at Dr. Bhatia, how did you find the program? Did you feel it has benefited you?
I guess
And
it
how?
is a very comprehensive program, and it has really helped me because I had read a lot throughout my MBBS, but I did not know how to uh, focus on all the subjects at the same time and study according to postgraduate examination pattern. So it had helped me to actually make it it's a very comprehensive program where it helps to to make a framework where you can do all the subjects very well.
Okay, fine. You could also mention a few subjects or faculties whom you feel that have actually you've been influenced and you feel that yes, they have been.
I guess Dr. Saurabh from pharmacology and Dr. Madhu from who taught us PSM have been very totally great teachers, and I had these two subjects were I was very weak in these two subjects, and they helped me overcome it. And Dr. Shashwat Ray, he's a totally dynamic person, and he just simplifies and teaches ophthalmology in such a such a lucid way that you tend to like the subject. Initially I used to hate it because it's such a vast subject and you can't do anything about it, but then he presents a totally different picture of ophthalmology to you and you tend to fall in love with it. And Dr. Apoor Mehra is nonetheless, and his book is totally impressive. I could revise whole of orthopedics in 6 to 7 hours. So that gave a boost to my confidence at the level of revision.
Okay, fine. Anurag, you must have written our test series also, right? How did you find our test series?
I guess it was pretty comprehensive and it covered almost every important subject, important topic, and the questions were actually not just repeats, and there were new questions which were stimulating, which used to which were very which made you think beyond the conventional PG preparation. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Did you write a NEET online test series, the one that was available at our website?
Yeah, I wrote one of the test series and I found it really good because the images and the diagrams were really well crafted into the exam pattern, and since we all had no idea how NEET gonna be, so it was quite helpful throughout. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So how has your overall experience been with Dr. Bhatia?
I guess I've been overwhelmed.
Okay.
You guys had, especially the management part. We used to say one thing and I used to demand 1 or 2 extra papers, and you were so helpful throughout. I guess I can't thank you more.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And now finally you can convey something to your juniors, some good tips, so that even they are helped out and they can achieve what you've achieved in such a short span of time.
I guess what you can do is start early and do regular study, because if you're going to leave it to last 3 or 4 months, it won't you won't be able to wind up. So you have to finish, you should try to finish each subject before the test and then give the test, so that you gain a whole lot of confidence in that particular subject, and by the end of the year you'll see that you have a whole lot of confidence that you've done almost all the subjects, and then you can move on to past year questions, and then do a revision in the last month or so, and then and regular tests and all really help you, the simulation and the environment. So it actually helps you to dampen the anxiety on the test day. So that's very important, and best of luck.